Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of the Daily Bone Podcast, where we discuss all things crypto market. That includes the majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to talk about the crypto market crash. Absolute dumpster fire out there. We're going to talk about the incoming doodles.
The bottom's in.
And we're going to talk about
the bottom's in.
All right, let him do the intro.
No, the bottom's in.
And we're going to talk whether or not we hit the cycle top. I think we might have hit the cycle top, and the top is in. We'll talk about this
You're
throughout
wrong.
the show. Today's show is brought to you in partnership with Pizza Pets.
Pizza Pets. The number one collectibles in your pocket.
Number one collectible that's halfway dead. 33,000 Pizza Pets died yesterday as the initial death cliff was hit. There's only 24,000 pets left alive as of yesterday.
You know what they say, Ray? They all fall down.
What you want to go down? Come and get your cone down.
We got to remix it for a little Kanye. We're still alive here. We're still alive and cooking. We're on cocaine. We're on LSD. We are just hanging out. Our pets are in great shape right now. They're just loving life. They're on their drugs. They're chilling. I don't have to do anything with these guys until tomorrow. I just need to remember to give them some milk tomorrow so the ones on cocaine do not die. That's the biggest.
Can you give them all DMT right now?
I could, but then I'm going to kill all my pets. I can't do that.
No. Do it.
So this guy's one away from evolution. He's like one away from being immortal.
That's sick.
Do the DMT.
Do we give him DMT and just
DMT?
like
Brian Johnson's one away from immortality.
DMT.
Risk it for the biscuit here?
DMT. Easy is fucking unhinged right now, and you're just letting him sabotage your Pizza Pet strategy.
DMT.
If we get 10 DMTs in the chat, we'll DMT this guy. How about that?
Everyone know, okay? This is like losing your job and you go get blackout drunk at the bar. We're not doing this. We're not doing this right now.
3, 4, 5.
This is not legal. This is an illegal violation.
I like that.
It doesn't count. It was just a T.
It's only 10%. So DMT is only 10% for adults. Is that true? Oh, 10%. Oh, damn. Yeah, we're not doing this. Thank you, T-Nex. Thank you for that one. That one just saved me.
You gotta read the rules.
Look at that. So you hear 10% as adult. So that is absolutely
so what? It's a 1090.
10%. 10% chance to evolve. 90% chance to die. We're just gonna let him cook. We can DMT another guy though. Let's DMT. One of our milk boys.
Shit, DMT.
It looks like who's gonna take the DMT the best. We got this guy. We got this blue dude. We got fire guy at the end.
Shit.
This guy looks pretty grumpy. You could use some DMT. Maybe we'll double DMT. We'll go 2 here. 1, 2. DMT.
Shit.
Low priority.
Shit.
Unlock the wallet. And we'll give a little DMT here. You know, the fees are a lot cheaper when Bitcoin's down, huh?
Shit.
Sir. See, it costs the same amount of sats, though, dog. You stacking them, it ain't no change.
All right, we got some DMT incoming for these 2 Pizza Pets. We're going to see what happens here. Maybe we'll get a little evolution. Yeah, this guy's my bad boy here. He's an adult. We've got 25 days until he evolves.
He looks like one of those purple Pokemon that is all like Gengar or something.
Yeah.
Shit.
It kind of looks like there's like candies that like twist and roll. It's like the top of his head is like the little like twist part, and then he just grew a body out of the bottom of it. He like left one open and it like grew a body. Love Pizza Pets. Pay attention. If you have not fed your pet, it's dead. If you have fed your pet, you've taken care of it, make sure you take care of them over the holiday season. I think this collection is going to be.
What happened to Ray?
Many.
Ray, you're back. There you go.
What's up?
Someone took you out.
You came off the screen. I think it was me by accident. I apologize. I was clicking back on the tab and I think I hit your face.
Yeah, don't hit my face, please.
I said that I accidentally punched my friend the other day. That's why I told him.
So this collection, I think, is going to be very deflationary. I think we're going to end up with like less than 5K.
Define deflationary right now.
In
3 words or less.
Supply down.
Okay. Well done.
That was 2 words. I like that. That was good.
Yeah,
That's good.
overachiever. I keep an eye on
these
this
guys
guy.
are cooking under 24K now. Love pizza pets. Pizza pets.
Pizza Pets.
Number one
Collectible
in your
in your
pocket.
pocket.
That being said, we've got a busy day today.
you got a
We've
busy
had
day.
markets jumping all over the place. We have all kinds of news coming out. Tokens, NFTs are pumping. Left is right is left, up is down. How are we going to make out all this? We'll see. Kix, you want to take us away with a little weather report action here?
Yeah, dented brains are still dented brains. All right, let's see.
Yeah. What's that mean?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday, December 20th. Quick look over at the majors. Bitcoin fucking crashed below 95K. PO's fucking broke. Ethereum under 3,300. Solana at 188. Easy lost $1 million. Still holding. Top mover today was the Mocha token, which is up 20% to a $300 million market cap. Yay! Over $1.4 billion is liquidated from the crypto market as the total market cap fell 9% on the day. Over $57 billion has been wiped from meme coins. Over the past week, Jerome Powell suck a cock for Christmas. Next up, Doodles founder Burnt Toast released a cryptic tweet hinting at an upcoming token for the Doodles ecosystem. Doodles are up 50% on the day to a 6.6 ETH floor. Because, hey, if you miss Pudgies, might as well take a swing at Doodles. Great idea. Last up, it was a big day for meme coin listings as Bybit listed FartCoin and Griffane for perps trading. Robinhood listed Bonk, and Binance Alpha's program highlighted Gnon, Shoggoth, and Lucy early this morning. No one gives a fuck. Why don't you pump the majors? Back to you in the studio. Thank you.
Excellent weather report as usual, Kix. I love the voice on this down market today, and we'll talk about this down market kicking off things here. Easy. It sounds like you think the bottom's
in. Hey, idiot! The bottom's in.
So I've done a little bit of research here.
Research.
Yeah, I've done some research. Let me bring up the chart. Last time that I can't even bring up the chart right now.
Yeah, exactly, because you're wrong.
Last time your wife beat you after looking at the Bitcoin charts?
Yeah, last time that you said the top was in, idiot.
Take a look at the so the Bitcoin chart didn't really show this, but Bitcoin has been following equities more closely now than it has in the past. Looking at the S&P, the last government shutdown was 2018, 2019. If you're looking at this chart live here, we saw a market Pico bottom on December 24th.
Oh, yeah.
And what's today, Ray? What's today?
Today's December 20th. So
and
December
what happens
24th,
Monday? What's Monday? The 23rd.
Yep.
What's Tuesday?
Yep.
So
the 24th.
Yep.
So I was in a Marshall's parking lot December 24th, 2018, doing some last minute Christmas shopping. Pull up my Robinhood. And it's like the markets were a bathtub and someone pulled the drain and then sledgehammered the drain, made it 4 times as big. Market was just puking. And I bought a shit ton of stuff at that bottom and was very happy I did about a couple months later. And it's funny you bring this chart up, Ray, because when I was seeing how all the markets were reacting, I couldn't help but think about that day. If you and I are both looking at that same kind of thing, maybe it's real, dog.
So that means the bottom's in, right?
It means you're gonna like vomit. Yeah, ETH's gonna go to 2,800, then the bottom's in.
So when
Monday?
When does the government shut down officially? Is it Monday? Or is it today? Like, when does that deadline come and go?
I don't really give a shit, man. Half the government employees don't fucking do anything. They're all overpaid. And I don't know. Maybe don't fucking put a bunch of bullshit in the bill. All these shitheads in Congress slipping in random ass things. Just pass a fucking clean bill, you lazy sacks of shit.
Got him.
Yeah, so we saw the Pico bottom basically 2 days after the government shut down. It shut down on the 22nd of December in 2018.
Yeah, let's run it back, dude.
So we could be at a bottom here. Could be interesting. I don't know what happens with like it just is a spook out. Maybe like we don't shut down and things kick off right again. It looks like we're Poly Market saying 61% chance right now. We peaked at 75. Clemente.
We got Clemente with his hand fucking raised and easy deep breathing into the mic. Dude, this is a good Friday show.
Sorry, I'm deep in the Pudgy Penguins TCG game right now. I apologize. It's a great game. It's a really good game. Really good game. Bottoms in. Bottoms in.
All right, Clemente, what you want to say?
Let's get. Hey, I don't know what happened there, but someone took you off screen. You're up, buddy.
I think I accidentally hit the button. Clicked on
No,
Clemente.
totally fine. Hey, Clemente, what's going on, man? Whoa.
So if you're just listening, Clemente keeps trying to speak and is just getting removed from the stage on StreamYard over and over again.
I don't think he's enjoying it as much as we did.
No, definitely not.
He kind of looks angry. Like, I actually,
Yeah,
this is see that look in his face. That's a look I start to get scared of. Like if I'm razzing on someone a little bit, and I see that face right there, I'm a little bit fucking scared.
Yeah, like he's killed a man.
He'll do it again.
I'm sick of you guys of shit.
All right, let's get him back up here.
All right, guys. We gotta be professional from here on out, okay?
Yeah, no more bullshit, guys.
All right, everybody.
No more bullshit.
Okay,
Lock in.
Clemente, you have the floor.
These are trying times for people, and you guys are making jokes, frankly.
Trying times for people. What do you mean?
A lot of people are overinvested. A lot of people are thinking, hey, what was
Sounds like
people?
sounds like a personal problem.
People?
I should have taken profits. I should have taken some money out. Did I do it? Absolutely.
Yeah, dude, fucking shoulda, woulda, coulda, man. I should have sold my Pudgy at 150 grand, right?
Guys, yeah, come on, guys. Let's be serious. This is someone's first time. They could be watching the show for the first time, and they could be like, wow, okay, crypto flash crash. Full-time crypto trader reveals 4 buy targets. And today, we are going to reveal those 4 buy targets for you, ladies and gentlemen.
And I can actually share them. So last night I bought a DAOs.fun on base. I'm up 130%. So if you want to be my exit liquidity, here's the ticker for you.
No. New listeners, we tell them to fuck off and never come back again. Remember, that was the strategy that Nick employed earlier this week.
True.
Anybody who's a new listener to the show, like first time listener, Nick's like, get out of here, unsubscribe, report us, block us. We don't care.
Nick, literally, there were new listeners going like, hey, what do you think is a good price target for Pengu? Like, I'm curious. I'm first time listener. And Nick just goes, shut up, bitch. I'm like, get off the show.
That's wild, dude. But I kind of like it. Yeah, dude. I mean, sure. Yeah, you could have sold the Pico fucking top. You could have also fucking 8 years ago put your life savings into Tesla stock. You didn't do that either. So, like, you know what I mean? You could have fucking.
I'm cool as a cucumber. I'm cool as a cucumber, dude.
No, I'm talking to the other people.
This morning, I woke up and what helps is sometimes you wake up and you feel a little bubble in your lungs, right? And
okay.
I think that's not good.
You should get that checked out. No, you should get that checked out.
I don't think that's good.
I'm a little anxious. The bubble comes up. So I had this bubble in my lungs. So I just breathed out the bubble in my lungs.
You breathed?
Yeah, I was just breathing. And then what you do is you got to do a little tongue dance. You go,
You fucking whore, dude.
What are you doing right now, man?
Dude, this is a mental breakdown. This is common in crypto. This is actually very common in crypto right here. This is a classic psychotic break right here. It was a trigger word. Something Easy said triggered him. And like once that happened, they just regress. So that's what we call a 3-year-old regression. He did that dance as a 3-year-old, probably in some Chilean school or somewhere. So a lot of people that have
a lick of English. That's why he's saying jambalaya.
Jambalaya. Oh, okay. Maybe a little Jamaican. Maybe he went to a boarding school in Jamaica.
Or like maybe it was a Jamaican resident that he was sitting next to at his desk.
That explains a
Very
lot.
interesting. Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, everyone, you're fucked. Just I'd write off all your money. Go get a second job at like your local convenience store and just try to stack that cash back up for the next cycle. But no, in all seriousness, stop being a pussy. It's not always green days. And I'd say look for that. If we get that 24th big old dip, dude, look to run back that 2018 playbook, right? That could be very nice. And I think the more we pull back in December, the potential to load the spring for January. Okay.
Very interesting.
So, sometimes you have to make a little less bread so you have more grain to plant in the fields.
Yep.
So that you can have even more bread down the road.
Okay. Are we talking like yeast?
Winston
or no
Churchill
yeast?
said that.
That was Big Church.
Can we do a little bit of so I wanted to ask the audience and you guys, it's Black Friday today. Black Friday came twice this year. Right now we have another buying opportunity. I'm curious for the commenters, are you buying any dips here?
I spent $50,000 on Solana today.
So Easy bought $50,000 worth of Solana.
I also spent $5,000 on a token called Usual because Yogi had a good thesis on it.
Okay, that's another one. But if you also look at some of the majors, so Easy.
I bought a DAO.fun. It's up 113%. I think we should really take a look at it.
We also have some meme coins. There's a widespread dip on meme coins right now.
Not on Fart.
It's down to
Not on Fart.
Fart coin just looking spectacular.
Clemente, you're a full-time trader, and this show is about a full-time trader giving his top 4 picks. What are your top 4 picks right now? Buying the dip. Give me your 4 picks.
Top 4 picks. So in this segment, I'm going to show you the top 4 picks that you need to buy coming from one of the most seasoned traders. But we are a nonprofit, so we don't make any profit on it. So this is not financial advice, but dip number 1 that I am buying.
Number 1.
Goat Maximus. Ticker GOAT, ranked 157 in terms of market cap. It's sitting at a $429 million market cap right now. I would buy this. Looking for a clean 2x here, back up to 800 mil. I like this, Ray. It's not, the chart doesn't look fantastic, but I do think it will turn around. Don't sleep on GOAT. Don't sleep on GOAT. That's my first pick. Pick number 2.
Love it. First pick, just an absolute knife catch. Let's see what we got for pick number 2.
Just like a fucking eruption, lava flowing down a hill, and he's like, "Yeah, a one-man army can stop this."
I stake my land here; it shall be mine.
Dude, sitting there with the utmost confidence, like, "Yeah, this is the one."
I like the overall thesis there, Clemente. So just josh around. Let's see number 2.
Number 2. And this is this is not a huge one. I'm buying AVAX here at $36. AVAX.
Please
it was at 52
by the way,
like 15 minutes ago.
Hey, we work with AVAX just so that like Clemente doesn't go to jail.
Full disclosure.
Okay, take AVAX out. Take AVAX out.
No, keep it in. You're allowed to keep it in.
Just because we work with them doesn't mean you can't be bullish, you fucking idiot.
It's not like they're giving you the money to buy. They're not giving you the money to buy.
And this is not a new position, Ron, man. This is a DCA for me. GOAT CS Maximus would be a new position. New position number 3 here. I'm buying Fart Coin, dude. I'm buying Fart Coin.
At a $1 billion market cap.
I think when I saw Stephen Colbert talking about it, it's exactly what the normies like hate. It's what they want crypto, like how they envision crypto. So it's so fastball down the middle, like Fart Coin. I think it goes to 10 billion at least. And what I love when Fart Coin keeps pumping and all they say is hot air rises.
So I have a buddy in the space who I onboarded last cycle.
Great line.
And got into NFTs, and he like traded enough ETH NFTs to get some Pengu. So like we told him like set up Pengu, set up Solana wallet. He didn't have a Solana wallet before. He was like only ETH. He got some Pengu and he was like, I'm gonna swap it for this Fart Coin. And he's like, I'm not sure actually. Pengu's cheaper right now. Like I kind of want to go with the cheaper coin out of the two. And it just shows like retail right now is just like not paying attention to like market cap. They look at like small number in price. So you look at $1.24. I can see people being like, it's a little expensive.
God, imagine going through life and not knowing what a market cap is.
It sounds so like blissfully peaceful and relaxing.
It does. It really honestly does. It's like, what do you do every year? I max out my 401k.
Yeah, I have a Roth 401k that I max out. Me and the wife go on 2 vacations a year, and occasionally we eat out once, twice.
I have a normal, stable life.
I wake up at 8:15, get to work by 9. I'm home by 5:30. Not a second later.
I have low cortisol levels. I read books.
Watch 2 Netflix shows a night.
Have hobbies.
An average time. Yeah, like
I have a little couch sex with my wife.
Kick just keeps going deeper and deeper.
Sneak that one in.
Yeah, no, you definitely snuck that one in.
Is she asleep? Not now.
I'm gonna go a little bit unconventional here. I'm gonna go. Number 4 is gonna be the Mother Token by Iggy Azalea. At 42 million.
Are you fucking kidding me? Is that fun for you to like be all serious and then do that? Is that fun for you?
Yeah. Look, I think she's launching Motherland today, and it's a
What is
casino.
Motherland?
It's a casino with
Cool.
attractive women live betting with you. So
Clemente,
Cool.
look at the Motherland leaderboard. You've already spent $1.2 million on it.
Just on tips.
Buying into a meme coin by a washed up celebrity that now is saying you're going to be able to use that meme coin in an online casino with hot chicks. I'm putting you just barely above guys that subscribe to OnlyFans. Just barely. Okay? Just to know where you're at on my respect level.
all right. This makes me so much more bullish.
Do you cry in the shower?
No, I don't.
Okay. You give off that
Tears
vibe today.
streaming down your face, and why did you buy Mother Coin?
Mother coin.
Pick number 4,
No,
Clemente.
That was it. I did all of them. Just
So
saying.
you did 3
he
or
did his
4?
No, he did
Okay.
4.
Not bad.
And there you have it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are your 4 picks for today. This is not financial advice. The crypto market is very risky. But look, if you can't stomach the volatility, if you can't stomach this, then you got to, then crypto might not be for you. And this, this is a great day. You got to be able to jump in and with these dips, be able to size in and size out.
Oh, shit.
Shit.
What's
Oh,
up?
shit.
What?
I'm
You
up.
find like $100,000 in a wallet?
No.
Your wife's pregnant?
No, I bought this truck driver token. I thought it was dead.
What the fuck?
Put him up.
That thing ran. Is he still driving?
I don't know. One of our listeners, shout out Douglas, big fan of the show. We talk on Twitter, and he's a truck driver, and he sent me like a kick stream. I was like, "Oh, is this you streaming?" He goes, "No, it's a token I bought." I was like, "Oh, I'll buy in. This sounds fun." It's like this guy who's like streaming his like in like a truck rig on Kick. Essentially, he's just like streaming himself driving. Somebody made a token. Somebody made a token and it was like a rug, and then I guess like they talked to him and like sent this dude 2.5% of the supply after the dev rugged. So now he's just been driving and like talking with the chat, and is like his followers have like went up a ton. I think there was like almost 1,000 people viewing it when I was on yesterday. There's 62 people watching him sleep right now. But
is he sucking on a lot lizard right now, or what's going on? Why is he off camera?
Sucking on a
crazy.
lot lizard?
Just asking.
yeah, I don't know what he's doing right now. But yeah, absolutely crazy. I bought this and just like wrote it off to going to zero when it went all the way down here to 35K. Looks like it ran up to 500K this morning. Probably should have set some limit orders there, but I'm going to support my truck driver.
Cool. So just chilling your bags. That's awesome. That was
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry,
So-
I got
3 minutes
surprised
on
when
the
I
show.
pulled up. I got surprised when I pulled up Neo and I saw it in the
Sure.
green.
Yeah,
Used
organic.
to seeing all these
So
things
you're
up
calling
top
that?
in the red. It was in the green, so I got excited. I'm sorry.
Ooh,
Or
Guys-
organic shell.
I just checked the bubble maps. Ray received 1% of the supply in exchange for this shill for truck driver. We
All
just
right, you called me.
Well done. Well done. So
Caught me.
speaking of shilling our bags, I bought this DAO.fun on base. It's up 73% now. It's called Alameda.
before he was up like 1,300%. He's only up 7.
It's called Alameda
At
Research.
the end of the show, hey guys, I'm about this down. That's not fun. I'm up 15%.
I'm down 4%.
Oh my god, good times.
Last time I supported a
GTs,
truck
GTs.
driver, Trudeau froze my bank account. It's a good one.
That's a banger.
That's a good one. That's a bar. Bar for bar. Bar for bar.
Bar for bar, Holmes. Home skillet.
I'm giggity getting them.
So what were you saying, Ray? I'm sorry.
About what? I don't think I was saying
You're
anything.
Sorry. Easy. You were shilling your bags.
Yeah. Yep. It's called Alameda Research V2.
I saw a post about that. Can you elaborate?
Oh, I'm up
please?
60%.
What's DAO? What's DAO's not fun?
Basically they get a bunch of people to invest, and then they invest those funds into things and trade the capital as one aggregated unit.
Is it DAOs.fun is the website?
No, so this one's on base. One sec. It's called Alameda Research V2. Let me send it. It's DAOs.world. That's the sole one. DAOs.world. I just sent it to you in private chat. In privy chat.
Yep.
Yep, that's it.
All the insider information gets shared. DAOs.world. This is the future of investing. Oh, that's a good start. And it's this Alameda Research V2.
Yep. That's one.
It's all on base.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yep, I'm base.
So this is like a little bit cleaner than virtuals in terms of UI.
I mean, that's not saying much.
Yeah. And this is at a $1 million market cap. Well, at least you crossed 1 million for the shilling. I was only at what, 200,000?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah.
200K shitter. And I apologize for anyone in the audience who's like questioning my integrity. I honestly got excited because I bought this coin as a I was like, oh, this is like cool. This guy seems like.
Now you're more suspicious. Now you're trying to like apologize, justify. You should just stick to it.
Right. I've shilled a 7K market cap shitter before with no remorse, and no one questioned.
Yeah, it didn't sound like people were lining up to buy the Lot Lizard token after you shared it. Like it wasn't like people were in the chats like, "Oh my god, man, this is gonna be what saves my bags." I think it's fun though, man. And guess what? What I like about that, Ray, is it shows your passion for the space. You're just in the arena, experimenting, trying things.
Yeah, love that. All right, so we have Easy's shill there. Kix, what's your shill of the day?
I got nothing, man.
Sneaker Dad, I launched a fucking stream drop for you, Sneaker Dad. You asked about stream drops. I launched one for you, and now you're going to question my integrity. This is unreal. Absolutely unreal.
I'm trying to figure out what to buy my wife for Christmas, mostly today. But shill of the day, got nothing.
Kix, you want a gift idea?
Sure.
Pajamas. You can never go wrong with a good pair of pajamas for your significant other.
Well, this is like a tough day to like figure out what you're going to get your wife, right? So it's like you have to go out and physically get it this weekend, fight the crowds, right? You're not going to be able to get something delivered in time.
Dude, Amazon.
Overnight shipping.
Amazon will have it here by Sunday.
Maybe. I know there's some strikes going on. I know there's some issues there.
Strikes.
All right, so Kix, you know what I want you to do?
What's up?
Launch a Solana wallet for her. Post it on Twitter.
Okay.
Now you don't have to get her anything, and I bet you some MFers will send some coins to it.
Shit.
All you have to do. Okay.
No. Say it. Yeah, say it. Say what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say in return, you just have to snap a couple pics of your wife's feet and post them.
What's the ROI on that?
At least 3,000%.
I think it's pretty high. Seems good.
I like it.
Seems good. Okay, Tiago, weird comment, dude. Weird comment. What? Has his full face too in the PFP.
Yeah, that's so brutal. That smile on his face is so
the little winky face at the end.
Dude put that whole thong in his mouth, man. You know what I'm
saying? Dude, what an insane comment.
I love it. I like that guy, dude.
Oh man, that's so funny, man. It is a new viewer. I think it's a new viewer. Tiago, are you a new viewer? Please let us know.
I like you, Tiago. I like what you're built of.
So we can figure out if we need to tell you to get the fuck out of here and never listen again.
Pure kinetic energy.
I love it, man. Freaking love it.
I don't know. Buy of the day. I don't know. Why don't you buy the unicorn FartDust retest at 100 million?
That was Unicorn FartDust like the biggest runner, like the fastest runner we've had since Bohm?
Yeah, probably.
Like this thing absolutely sent. What did this get to? 200 mil?
230, 240,
290?
Yeah, 290.
Jesus. That's wild.
Is this a buy here?
Move your no. Move your wiggle chart to 0. Yeah, and then now take the top one off of the wick to the solid bar. No, you're good. You're good.
I'm just taking off all this.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
All this.
Sorry. I'm like talking in your backswing right there. Yeah. Okay. Still doesn't make a difference. Ooh, that doesn't look great, huh?
Yeah, I think any way you spin it.
It may go down to 60, or where's the blue line?
56.
56. Okay.
Yeah, I think maybe we bounce off. I mean, because I think it's just a bearish day with macro right now. I don't think you're going to see a ton of action, especially on stuff that's quote unquote established. I don't know how established things are, but it's been like 3 days. So something like this, I could see struggling if people aren't deploying capital, as opposed to something like TRUCKDRIVE.
Yep, I like this.
21%
Nice
since I bought it.
I mean, sometimes you need to just be patient in the market. Like, for example, I'm just going to wait till May to sell my ETH at 4,000.
Sell in May, go away, right?
Yeah. So I've had 3 opportunities now to sell it for 4,000. Why not wait for the 4th?
I mean, it could.
How'd you get that chart? That looks better.
If you're looking at this, initial.
Cool. I like that. Cool. Well, now the chart looks phenomenal.
That bounce looks nice.
Yeah, just adjust your fibs a little bit, and you can make anything work. It's the male astrology trick.
I love it.
Show the scrap bill. Hey, look, I showed you it bounced off the 786. Like I showed you, Clemente.
Can we just talk about the audacity that all NFT projects had yesterday? That while the market was just melting, they're just like, "Hey, we're gonna launch a token," but they're gonna do it in a way where they're not actually announcing it. They're like, "Believe in scrupulous activities because we love you." Wink.
And it spells
wink.
out token coming soon.
Yeah. Everyone did it. Everyone did it. There's no originality here. And
Hey, Clemente, you know what though? Your boy picked Doodles on his portfolio thing.
It's a good one.
This guy. So I'm just saying, I'm up like 75 ETH.
You picked them where?
Didn't I pick them on that fucking thing we did yesterday?
Let's bring that up. Let's take a look at that. Let's see what happened
Wasn't
there.
that me?
Oh, wait, no, Ray took Doodles. Ray took Doodles.
Fuck. I picked the one on Crypto Gorillas. That's what it was.
Go back to that tweet real quick. It says 2 Canis coming. Yeah, if that's 2 Canis coming, Canis is a Jewish Hanukkah dish.
So 2 of those are coming.
Can we check his religion?
Yeah. So we saw these pump. We also saw Easy. I don't know where he was talking about it, but he said he's buying Shadow Wolves, and we're like, what
the fuck is a Shadow Wolf?
You guys fudded the shit out of me for that. It's up like 350%.
No, it's up 15x from when you mentioned it. What is going on?
15x. I'll be right back.
I think it's up like 3 or 4x. It was like 0.05 when we were looking at this. I don't know where he bought in. If he bought in at 0.01, yeah.
What's a Shadow Wolf? That looks like a doodle or a Cool Cat derivative.
Yeah,
it's a cool cat project.
It's part of Cool Cats.
Oh, well, look, that shows that I know.
I hope you didn't forget about the Shadow Wolves. So this is what they pumped on yesterday. This little guy looks like toothless in the form of a cat.
Cool. I'm with you, Market Tops. Then,
like, dude, everyone's just launching it. Like, which one is actually? Why would any of these perform well? Is my question. Like, first of all, the Pingu token was looking like it was going to turn around, and it did still crush. Like 2.5 billion or whatever it's at right now is still insanely impressive. But like, okay, can we get a list?
I should have sold my doodle for 150K and just walked away.
So we had Cool Cats. You're talking about your pudgy kicks?
Yeah, what'd I say?
You said Cool Cat. Cool Cats, World of Women, Azuki, Doodles, and Goblin Town seem to all have a token coming up. Why would any of them do well? Azuki is interesting. Doodles is interesting. But like, why would and nothing against World of Women, but like, why would a World of Women token like be above? Why would anyone want to buy it? Like a token from that?
Support women's rights.
Oh, okay. I mean, that's, I guess, interesting. Like a women's rights token.
I mean, you got to elaborate. You can't just say support women's rights.
I can't just say that.
What makes you?
Oh my God, Peg, Peg's
Wow,
pissed.
boy.
Peg's pissed at me. Peg, I'm listening. Look, Peg, I've seen you in the Discord. We've chatted before. And for people listening, Peg has a World of Women PFP. What's the bull case for a World of Women token? Was it a meme coin? Is it a utility token? I would love to hear your thoughts on this ecosystem. Yeah, I'm curious for that one. And then didn't Doodles already drop a token? Didn't the poopy guy, or wasn't there already a token that was dropped? Or no? Frankly, and I've said this before, I'm most interested out of all those tokens that were mentioned. I'm most interested in the Goblin Town one by far. Not even close.
I need to look back and figure out what they've dropped before. Because didn't they drop something before? What was the what's the name? Truth is the name of their
I don't know.
parent or whatever, right? Isn't it something like that?
I would want to get
Truth Labs.
Yeah.
I would want to get AJT on the horn and get to the bottom of what's going on here. But at 0.45 ETH, I think goblins are interesting. I think they've I don't know. Out of all the ones that were mentioned yesterday, this is the most interesting to me.
It's also a pseudo bear market hedge.
Oh yeah.
What do you mean? Because it's Goblin Town? These go up when we enter Goblin Town?
Yeah, I just made it up, but it sounds pretty decent.
It sounds good.
And
I don't think that we're fucked though, but I kind of do, but I'm not sure.
I mean, yeah.
I think we're fine, but maybe we were fucked.
Are you talking about NFTs or
the whole market? I think the whole market could be fine, or I think we're so fucked, You know
who's not fucked? These little guys, because they're on drugs and they're not losing hearts right now. These are the pizza pets we're showing you.
Pizza pets, the number one collectible
in your pocket.
Pizza pets over 30,000 died yesterday.
Shit.
Just under 24,000 are left in the collection. This is what you call a hyper deflationary collection. You can trade these on all major marketplaces. You just have to keep them alive. Feed them food, feed them beer to bring up their hearts, or give them drugs to alter their states or alter how often they lose hearts, alter how often they need food, all of that stuff. Tons of fun, lots of tech going into this. All this game is completely on the Bitcoin blockchain. Inscriptions galore. Every single feeding transaction is an inscription. It's pushing the limits of what Bitcoin can do. Super interesting in terms of also the mechanics, removing these from the collection as in real time. They do a great job partnering with Magic Eden for that. Game's a ton of fun. This collection is going to drop significantly. I think we're going to see less than 5,000 of these, maybe even less than 1,000 of these by the time we get to the end. There are only 50 so far that are immortal. So you can look at the stage of evolution. We can look at immortals, up 51 now. So this is what the final collection will look like when all is said and done. There will only be immortals left. There's only 51 of these now. These are basically only obtained by using DMT on your pets. And when you do that, there's a very high chance that you are not going to survive. So Pizza Pets, love working with them, love playing the game. We'll continue playing it and following along throughout the game. My adult here will evolve into immortal in 25 days. So maybe the government will be back by then. Government will come back from their shutdown. My pet will evolve to an immortal, and then I'll sail off into the sunset. It sounds like a great little narrative for the next month. That being said, love talking about Pizza Pets. We can get back into the discussion. So Kix, you've been leading both ways, market top, market bottom. I mean, earlier in the show, you were saying, hey, this happened multiple years ago. I bought the dip. Everything was good. But now I'm sensing some leaning the other way coming from you.
No, I think we're fine.
You think we're fine?
Yeah, I'm not worried. If you look back at some different periods of time, we've done plenty of corrections during the big pumps. Plenty of corrections.
Yeah, well,
ETH sucks though. Solana sucks.
Easy. Can you bring up some charts and take a look? I've been taking a look at the charts. I haven't seen your update. I don't know if you ran your show this morning, but I would love to see what you're seeing on the majors here. What's the next dip potentially that could be interesting to buy in?
No problem. All right, let me just share my screen here. Yeah, so you can see right here, Alameda Research V2. It's looking very strong on this slight pullback.
It's like 50-50. You were gonna pull that up.
But a decent entry here for those looking to enter. It's a 1.1 million market cap. Why would you not back FTX, dude? Like, what have they ever done wrong? What have they ever done wrong?
Well,
Just give
some
them
people
another
make
chance.
mistakes on V1, V2. You kind of clean up those mistakes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, how upset can you really be? How upset can you really be? That's what I'm wondering. Yeah, I did run the show today. Thanks for supporting me, Ray. It means a lot that you're a big supporter on my content journey. Thanks. So, chart wise, Bitcoin. I think the bottom's in. Now you may ask why. Look at that bounce off the Fibonacci. Technically a slightly higher high or higher low and higher highs. That's exactly what you want. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3. So now we'd probably do something like this.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That's what I'm feeling.
Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Everyone's scared. They're nervous. They're saying, oh my God, what if we get cold this Christmas? Oh, by golly gee willikers. Well, there you go. There you go.
Oh, that chart will warm me right up. What about Sol? Sol's scaring me.
Sol's the bigger move, in my opinion. Look at that nice bounce above the Fibonacci. Same idea, though. We just finally dipped behind this 100 EMA. So usually that's a good buy sign. Here. So same idea. Low, 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 higher low, high, 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 high. So same exact pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you probably do something like this on this one. This one may be a little bit more of a different move. I think something like that, probably.
Let's leave these lines on for Monday, obviously.
Yeah, of course. We're gonna leave these on. So that's kind of the sole move I see. Just one straight candle up. That actually gives us through February. But yeah, close enough. That's fine. And now for ETH. This one might be my favorite chart. Dipped below, shocker. ETH, just selling off extremely hard. Bounce off the same fib, EMA. So this one's a little bit different. This is kind of how I see ETH playing out. Yeah, that's just usually what happens. So yeah, that's where my brain goes. Yeah, charts look great. Shout out to YDX letting me, just draw this and make life much easier. That's where my head goes, though. Got to get your head in the game, as the kids say. Got to get your head in the game.
EA Sports.
All right, who's selling my coin? We're right at the fib line. Pivotal moment.
So what is Alameda Research? What is the
Well, Ray, they're the reason they fucked up Solana.
I know what they are, but what is this coin specifically? Is it just a meme coin, or is there like something else behind it?
It's a DAO, I guess. They handpicked who could invest in it. I don't know. I don't know.
Nice.
Which chart company am I using? DYDX, of course. The premier perpetuals and trading platform.
Easy is working hard for the Alameda bags.
You love to see it.
I'm only up 66%, dude. Like, it just keeps going down. It was like 160% earlier. Who's selling on me?
Despite the market pullback, we're seeing a ton of positive news and positive news and buying. We saw Binance expecting to resume U.S. operations next year. We saw Mara acquiring $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin yesterday. World Liberty Financial purchased $2.3 million worth of ETH yesterday. The SEC approved the NASDAQ Hashdex Crypto Index ETF. MetaMask announced a partnership with MasterCard that allows users to spend crypto through the MetaMask cards. All kinds of bullish news coming, and I think we're expecting regulation easing, especially with the Trump-backed World Liberty Financial continuing to just hammer more ETH and ETH tokens. That just makes me feel that regulation is going to be so much more lax and just allow people to build in this space without consequence. That 2025, it's just hard for me to see it be super bearish. I just don't know how that happens. So that's one of the things that makes me think that we're closer to we're not very close to a market top. This is more of just a mid-cycle 30 to 40% correction at worst. I think that it's going to be a great buy the dip opportunity. Obviously not financial advice, but I just don't see barring some kind of crazy black swan event, how we're not going much higher next year is just where my head's at.
Yeah, I think this is honestly, I think there's times where I really like Twitter and social media, but times like this, I think it's so pointless to be on Twitter because you just get a bunch of people like complaining about how the top's in and wanting to be right and being a bear and all that stuff. Dude, easy. You have to chill with the breathing, dude. This is
dude. Well, I just saw a chart. I'm really pissed off about it, man.
Okay. So yeah, Ray, I would agree with your sentiment. Obviously it's not great to see these dumps emotionally and mentally, but you just kind of have to stomach it. And if you're not buying the dip, right? If you're already fully deployed like myself, just chill. Literally just go chill. There's nothing
Maybe
else to do.
deploy some more. Why not deploy some more?
I'm fully deployed, Ray.
I'm going to deploy some more. If we go down again on Monday, I think it's going to be a deployment day.
Well, I'm excited to see your deployment day.
Yeah, I'll show you my deployment.
Okay. Ray, really quick, this is, maybe this is, I know Kix was talking about wanting to get a gift for his wife, but in general, if you are looking, I'm going to take just a quick 30 seconds of everyone's time. If you're looking for a gift, either for yourself, for a friend that is freaking rad, go to shop.bodoggos.com. We have an official Christmas drop for our skate decks. These are really freaking cool. $50, you can get a skate deck. If you live in the US, the shipping is absolutely fantastic. And you get free shipping on orders above, I think, $50 or $100. So go check them out. Shop.bodoggos.com. I believe we have a bunch of different options available, limited supply available. Go check them out. Let's go. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah, they're flying off the shelves. I think like over half have already sold. A lot of cool decks. I'm actually in the process of getting I need to hang them behind me. So I think on Monday when I come back to the show, this is going to be full of decks, just decks everywhere, head to toe decks right behind me. So that's
how many decks?
I think it's 6 decks.
You can take how many?
Yeah, I think we'll fit 6 decks. Same time.
Okay.
All behind me.
Okay.
Speaking of wives and presents and other things that are all exciting, I have a little announcement to make here live on stream. No one knows what's going on here, but I just got the go ahead from my wife to share a little image here.
Let's go!
We got baby Quant on the way.
Let's go!
Expected June 2025.
Woo! Ray, let's go, dude.
That's a boy for sure.
Yeah, it is a boy.
I just sat down. You know how I knew it?
How'd you know it?
You know why.
Did you accidentally sit on
There
your
we
own
go.
testicle?
Baby Quant 2025. We're all excited. I'm excited. My wife
Let's
just
go, dude. Summer baby too. Summer of love.
Yep.
Let's go!
Congratulations, Ray. Freaking fired up for you, man. That is awesome. The crew goes, Ray has sex. Look at this. I like this guy. This is what your baby's gonna look like.
Are you gonna name him Elon?
No, he's gonna name him Jambalaya.
Ellie.jpg, don't give this baby DMT.
That's smart. That's smart advice.
Look at this. This is gonna be Ray and his family. It's a bunch of diglets.
That's a really good gift.
Sneaker Dad asked if this is baby number 1. This is number 2, right?
Yeah, number 2. 1 already. Second one coming next year. Super excited to get less sleep. It's gonna be good times all around. Appreciate all the love in the chat. I'm seeing all these comments. Makes me super happy.
Tiago turning around from the wholesome, great turnaround, Tiago. I mean, the duality of a man. First saying,
that's it, man.
Get your wife thongs.
With a winky face.
And then going, congrats.
Hey, congrats. Pray emoji.
Oh, man, that's good. Baby Quant, I love it, Ray. That's awesome. Yeah, it's confirmed Ray has strong swimmers. Anything else? Pump.fun.
Somebody said proof of work. You all need to learn
name.
a thing or two. That's crazy. Proof of work is crazy.
Jay Skeezy saying that's why you haven't been winning in the trenches. Yeah, Ray's distracted right now. He's not been optimized.
Dude, I posted this dumbass ticker in Bodago's Discord called White Rock, right? It's a swarm that's like Black Rock.
Instead of Black Rock.
And all right, you stumbled a little bit there, but it's okay. We'll get the next one. And sure enough, it's a fully automated VC fund operated by a swarm of 20 plus LLM agents built at a hack AI-thon backed by Craft Ventures, Agent Ops, and others. They didn't post a CA or anything, but I was like, okay, this one seems interesting. We don't know if it's legit, whatever. This, that, and the third. And sure enough, I fucking sold it because I was like, oh, it's probably a LARP. Everyone funded me out of it. It's now 700K. That was a 20 sold dinger on the table because I'm just a certified bozo.
What?
So first of all, they could have just made all that up, right? Or no?
No. It's not from their page. It's the third-party page that tweeted it.
Well, the dev sold. Why would you sell out of it now?
To create more decentralization.
Okay.
Wait, so I still don't understand what did they post the contract address? Why is this?
Of course not, dude.
Yeah, they did 6 hours ago.
For anyone who's looking for an entry, we just had an absolute red candle on Truck Drive. Absolute.
It's below this entry.
Absolutely generational entry on Truck Drive right now. In case you're following along with that one.
Yeah, the actual swarms is 2 day old. It's at 50 million. So is this built on swarms?
Nobody fucking knows, dude. Explain swarms in 3 words or less.
Someone else launched a pump for them.
Lots of AIs.
No, I think this buy thesis is retarded.
I would
looking
agree.
at swarms, right? This thing came out of nowhere. Also, gig ascending. So is this just framework for deploying swarms?
No one knows.
Enterprise grade multi-agent collaboration framework. This seems like it just GPT'd with a cabal, right?
Yeah. Enterprise grade. Like, what does that even mean? Like,
it's like when the military launches drones to kill civilians.
That's like a SaaS product.
Oh.
So they have, this is like an older, they've been like building this for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Pip install swarm. So it's like a package, essentially a JavaScript package that they just launched a token for that went ballistic for some reason.
That's cool. Yeah, White Rock just red candled. I'm glad I didn't touch that garbage.
Yeah, the easy, nice going, easy. Good show, buddy.
Dumbass.
Hey, how about you suck?
Oh, so they got an agent marketplace too. That's cool.
I'm only up 39% on fucking Alameda Research VT.
Still up for now.
TMC, what ticker are you talking about?
I'm having a good day.
You're talking about swarms?
That's what I took from that.
Getting it at 300K on swarms sounds like generational. You're up over 10x at this point. Yeah, I don't know if it's legit, but it did come across.
You'd be
damn.
You'd be up 150x actually.
10, yeah, 150x, yeah, 150x on that big win from.
You said 10x, so you're only off by an order of magnitude of 1.5.
Yeah, I mean that's nothing in crypto, so
yeah, for sure.
So getting not 300K is like you did have some time to get in, I suppose, before this just God candle the 1 mil to 17 mil and 30-minute God candle.
God, I love crypto, dude. Yeah, everyone. Here's the best advice you can get, man. Just chill out, enjoy the holidays. It's just fucking money, you know what I mean? And no one made a lot of money by being a paper-handed wuss, just freaking out all the time. So just chill out. You know, I really wouldn't worry about the dips. That's my take, anyways. I always said I thought personally, I thought January Q1 in general was going to be like, you know, the fireworks. So it pulling back here, I think sets up the fireworks even more. So I'm sorry, I got a little booger in my nose. I can see it on the camera. So I don't pick my nose when I'm trying to clean up for the show.
That's all good.
Yeah,
absolutely agree. We eat 20% red candles for breakfast. Exactly. Just like this one with Truck Drive here. This one's going to get eaten up. I am absolutely sure of it. Well, let's shift gears here. Let's talk Top Dog. Our favorite prediction game.
Top did dog.
Top
Unless you know that you watch some Mickey
Top
Mouse Clubhouse, that's one of our
dog.
favorites here.
Top dog. Who's gonna be the top dog? Top dog.
Yeah, how have we not come up with a jingle for this? We have Bo Puppo in the lead, up 8 points. I think I said 1 week left. There's actually 2 weeks left. We have this Friday and next Friday. Last 2 weeks of the season. It'll be a 25-week season as the year comes to an end. He has an 8-point lead over Ellie.jpg. Bo Puppo went 4 for 5 on a tough week last week. Ellie fell one more behind, down to 8 now. It's going to be tough to make up. Ellie's got to do some work, and Bo Puppo's really got to fall off over the holidays. Maybe he's going on a nice vacation with the family and won't participate next week. But yeah, big lead here for Bo Puppo. He's been absolutely crushing it all year. 58% correct, only behind T-Ward's 59% correct in terms of percentage answered. Looking over last week's questions, will Bitcoin hit 110K at any point?
It got close.
It did get close, but it didn't get there.
Close
Will
doesn't count, though.
No, it does not. Will Pengo go live? Yes. Punks over under 45 ETH on Friday. They are under, I believe they're under 39 ETH now. Over under $1 billion worth of ETH ETF weekly inflows. I think everyone was very bullish on this on the over. This didn't even come close. This like barely got over 100 million inflows on the week.
You sound like happy to report that news.
I'm not happy to report that news. I like
smiling.
seeing the ETH ETF go up.
You're smiling.
And the final question, Fantasy Top. Who's going to be in the lead? Easy or Clemente? Clemente trounced Easy. He was in 56th place. Easy was in 80th over the last 7 days. So those are the resolutions. And for questions, I have 3 questions. We got to come up with 2 more. I'd love to take some questions from the audience while we're discussing the first few questions. But first question, start of the show next Friday. Bitcoin over under 100K.
Over.
I'm going to go over as well.
I will go over as well.
Clemente on the over. Kicks.
Over.
All on the over. Back over 100K after the holidays. We're going to see a Christmas miracle. Next one, Doodles. Over under 7 ETH next Friday at the start of the show. Right now, we are sitting at a floor price. I believe it's 6.7. We are at, let's bring it up. Doodles on the 1 day. We were at 6.95. We're going to change this. Over under 8 ETH. Over under 8 ETH by the start of the show next Friday.
Under.
We're at 7 ETH basically right now. Easy's
Under.
on the under. I'm going to take the over still. Clemente.
I'm going to go under as well.
Kicks.
Over.
There is something to be said about all of the token announcements coming from every project watering down the effect it could have on Doodles. But I've been bullish on Doodles very publicly on the show, thinking that they have a ton of distribution. They have the correct like partnerships in the traditional like Web2 and like pop culture communities that I think it's just a no-brainer that they have a successful token. I think we see 10 ETH by the end of the year for these Doodles, especially if we hear more about the token and what it's going to be.
Yeah, I think it depends on the token. Like, they haven't really shared any details about the token. So if it actually gets confirmed in terms of like release day, what the distribution is going to be like, if it's on base, I would assume it's going to be on base. And this token could be interesting. Like the Doodles token, they, like I was saying before, Doodles is top 3 distribution in IP and NFTs. I think it's Pudgy, Azuki, and Doodles.
What does the distribution even mean?
As far as just recognition in the Web2 space, right? Like, I mean, these guys are in however many million McDonald's cups right now. They don't mess around. And I think they're a sleeper play here. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be
sleeper play at 7th.
No, I don't think it's a sleeper play.
Didn't you just say that?
The thing is, got bounce. When Clem does a paper buy like this and doesn't actually buy it, it usually ends up working out.
That's
yeah. If I don't buy, it's a great.
That's true.
Great buy signal. Yeah. Anyways,
third question: does the government shut down? 60% is on yes, or 65% on yes on Polymarket right now. I'm going to go.
What day
no.
would the shutdown come in at?
What'd you say?
What day does the shutdown come in at?
That's part of it. I don't know. I should know, but I don't. So you have to make your own assessments here.
Okay. When will the government shut down? Let's see. December 21st.
Yeah, so next week. We'll
Tomorrow.
shut down this week. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go with the shutdown because I think sabotage is in play.
Easy. Do we shut down?
No.
No,
Clemente.
No.
so predictable. Easy.
We don't shut down. I don't think we shut down.
Okay, tough guy.
We got 3 on the no, 1 on the yes.
Oh, you said no too, Ray?
Yeah.
Fuck
Mr.
you.
Yellow's on yes. Government shuts down.
Sweet. I'll
OG
ride with
Super
that dog.
Ninja's on yes as well.
Sweet. I'll ride with that guy.
W's on nah.
OG Super Ninja's a sick name, dude.
Good name.
OG Super Ninja 79.
Good
He's
name.
45 years old. He's 45
VR.
years old.
You got the headphones and the VR there. Nice shirt. That's a good.
That's a good bow doggo right there.
That's a good doggo. Top tier doggo. Top 1% of bodoggos. I'd say HKT Troopers on the yes.
I'm feeling pretty good about Unicorn FartDust.
Okay. Let's do that. Unicorn
Real-
Fart Dust over
Real
under
Christmas story.
Unicorn Fart Dust over under 200 mil next Friday.
Over.
Over.
All right, we're at
Over.
150 now.
Under.
Or not 150 now. We're 117.
117. I'm going to go under as well.
Fucking piece of shit.
So Ray and Clemente on under. Kicks and Easy on the over. We need one more question.
Does Clemente cry in the shower?
Yes.
I'm gonna take yes.
Yes.
Like, does he cry in the shower in general, or does he cry in the shower like next week?
By Friday next week.
I will.
Da, da, da. Elon Musk tweets December 13th to 20th.
We got to by the way, outro song "Fix You" by Coldplay because that's relevant to him crying in the shower.
Okay, we can do that for sure.
Okay.
Ooh, when's the German? These are like 50-50. Let's look at. Can't you look at like close markets? It's like competitive or something. I haven't used Polymarket in forever. Does anyone in the audience have a good question? Area box office for Sonic the Hedgehog 3 movie. Is that opening this weekend? It looks like it. Okay. So it looks like the pivot point is somewhere in the 64 to 72 range. Over under 70 mil Sonic the Hedgehog box office.
Over.
All right.
Could I just go out and say I hate these movies?
I haven't watched one of them.
with you, Kicks.
I haven't watched one of these.
They're so garbage, dude. My daughter likes them.
Have you seen them?
What did you just hear? Yeah, my daughter
I hate
likes
them. Okay, I see. Like so.
So
your
he
daughter
will be
watched it.
contributing to the box office.
There's a lot of people up on FartCoin. You can, so they're gonna probably go celebrate, go see Sonic the Hedgehog 3.
All right, easy.
Oh, guys, hold on. Haley Welch just posted.
Oh.
No.
Yeah,
figure
she
it out.
woke up. Haley Welch just woke up. Looking for tickers.
Okay, scanning.
Haley, I just bought so many tickers.
Woke up.
Woke up. Haley, apology. None of them are good. What did she say?
Oh, it's like her lawyer posted. I take this situation extremely seriously and want to address my fans, the investors who have been affected, and the broader community. I am fully cooperating with and am committed to assisting the legal team representing the individuals impacted, as well as to help uncover the truth, hold the responsible parties accountable, and resolve this matter. If you have experienced losses related to this, please contact Berwick Law using the link below. So in the newsletter today, I saw that there was a lawsuit filed against the team who launched the token. Didn't name Haliey Welch.
God, look at that picture. That's hot, huh?
12 plaintiffs who invested in Hawk collectively.
Yo, Ray, her friend.
51K. her friend, brought the complaint forward and requested a jury trial. Zach XBT with a great response here. The 12 plaintiffs also need to be thrown in prison, as choosing to gamble 6 figures on Hawk to a coin means they are a danger to society for having negative IQ.
Hey, good shout, Clemente. I was able to jam in one soul on Woke Up.
Same.
Dude,
I got
I
one
did
in.
not get in.
Really?
Sometimes the
Probably has
spotter
bot
doesn't always
protection on.
work.
What a fucking loser,
Dude,
dude.
look at this fucking idiot, dude.
You don't have a hotkey toggle for bot protection on?
Look at this fucking idiot.
Look how serious he looks in his face now. Oh, he's going to top blast this at 250K when it comes out of the gate.
100%. Just
Let's
absolutely.
look at
top
holders.
like
Oh, man, we're fucked. There's like
Oh, yeah, we're
90
so
snipers in. At least the Solana's only worth like $180.
It's worth like $6 right now.
Yeah,
fine.
that's fine. Maybe they're good bundle farmers and they'll bundle farm out at 250 so I can win too.
I don't think any of these are that good, to be honest. Yet.
Any of what?
Any of these tickers.
Because you're not in them.
No, I'm looking at the other one. The Woke Up is I mean, this
The best, probably. It's the only one
Yeah,
in
it's
my
not the
grade.
best one.
but like, whoa, I don't know. Someone needs to spin up like a nice little AI picture, or like what's the overall messaging here? Okay, this thing's at 80K,
Woke up.
60K.
It's that she woke up.
There we go. It's fucking sending.
But is it that she's against like Haliey versus Doc? Like,
It's Haliey versus Doc.
okay,
She's with the plaintiffs who have sued the team behind the token launch.
oh, okay. So she's anti-token, basically.
Cool. It's a fucking rug.
Yeah, I
Cool.
wish it was like just a clear
Berwick Law. How did you lose money in crypto? So these
So
guys are
Berwick
basically-
Law does a bunch of stuff. They're the ones who are doing like the artifact one, some other stuff.
So they just are like, it's like the ambulance chasers, but for meme coins.
Yeah, literally. Like quite literally.
I'm surprised this is dumping.
We need to wake up Nick and get him on the horn.
I just texted him. He responded.
He did? Okay. I was going to say, this is a monumental
It's
moment. for his
holding
career.
50K and most of the bundlers just got out.
What other things would be like interesting to buy from this? Is the only thing. Like Haliey, like straight to a jail or straight to prison was already.
Is that one already pumped?
Like this isn't really memeable is the thing. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, so
Let's
this
see.
one.
That was 185 WPM right there.
Dude, he's just
Easy.
mashing the keyboard right now.
Sorry, I'm doing 65 things at once. I'm in woke up. Just printed on
All
swamp
the
creatures.
bundlers are out of Woke Up, so it's actually looking
It's gonna
good.
send now, yeah. 200K minimum on this. Easy.
Not
200.
financial advice.
No,
Yeah.
FA.
It's a nonprofit. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, yeah, I think this can run, but
You're kind of bearish like 5 seconds ago.
I like. Well, it's not going to go to 5 mil.
Okay. Wow, I didn't know like that was your
I
standard.
know that was the
Is it like
target.
is
all
snitch?
right.
Is snitch the token?
Snitch is good. Snitch is good. Snitch.
Is that one
Tua?
live?
No.
Ooh,
I just
Snitch
thought of it.
2 is good.
Snitch is
2
good.
is good.
Ray, that's what I'm freaking talking about. That's what I'm talking about. She gave up. She's a snitch. She be
Yeah, she's a little
snitching.
bitch.
All right, so we're launching.
Okay,
Snitch
that
2 now?
one.
Easy. Come on, dude.
Come on, man.
What?
Let's be professional.
Let's be professional.
Someone
What?
send me a link to that image of Hawk 2. I'll launch a snitch.
All right,
token.
I just bought Good Morning. Okay, I'm not going
Ray,
to show
sending
this
you the
one.
picture?
They just launched.
Right, go farm pump fund. Send you the
I'm
ticker.
working on it. I'm
All right, here's the
literally.
image.
We're scanning. So for people watching, look, we know this is not the greatest content, but we are. This is kind of what the trenches look like. It's not pretty. It's not pretty a lot of the time. Pookie Patrol. We're watching here. We have the woke up, a little bit of a dump here below 70K again. We're scanning. This is what the God Bounce is saying. This is what the people want. Colin McIntyre. This is the only content we want. Wow. Okay. Well,
Yeah, Snitch 2 scanning.
I'm working on it.
you might get front ran by a listener.
I'm almost positive, but I'm going pretty fast.
So what is it going to be? Snitch Tua?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Where's her tweet link? I'm guessing it's linked on Woke Up. And we'll just link everything to that, right?
Yeah.
Telegram website. Oh, must be a valid Telegram link. That's new.
Go no Telegram.
Fully out of Woke Up. I made 0.1470 Solana. $26.
Nice.
All right. Deploying Snitch. Deploy.
Here we go. Is it live?
It should be live. I'm going to send this CA somewhere.
Snitch Tua?
It's Snitch. Snitch Tua. It just popped up on my BullX.
And then it's just a picture of her PFP?
Yep.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, I don't want to. Dude, I feel weird about pumping just straight up a 27K shooter that
we deployed.
Dumping on the audience.
I just think it's the best one that's happened to.
All right. Well, it's live. You not financial advice. This is literally extremely risky. We're not backing this. This is a meme coin.
We will snitch on you if you try to have a lawsuit.
This is
I will dump on the audience
where you can lose, and you likely will lose money on this. On the off chance that this, I mean, yeah, this is insane. Basically,
all right. Last question. Sonic over under 70 million market cap. We have an over from Easy and under for Ray. Kicks, are you just taking the under out of spite?
On
Sonic.
On
70 million Sonic box office this weekend. Domestic.
Yeah, I hate it, so I'll go over.
Over?
Myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll fade myself.
Love that. Clemente.
under.
Under for Clemente. Colin McIntyre. I appreciate you guys for backing this movement to help us recuperate our funds from Hawk to his coin.
What's Hawk at?
That's a good question.
Hawk's at 8 mil. The fact that Doc Hollywood just straight up left is insane.
Imagine trusting someone named Doc Hollywood.
Did you listen
You
to
gotta
that
be
space?
real dumb.
That space that
the
he
space.
ran with them was like, oh my God.
Doc Holliday literally sounds like a
Doc
criminal
Holliday.
mastermind.
This is the chart that you don't want to buy. Though it did pump here.
Yeah, right. It's at your buy
Process
target.
here. Yeah. I mean, it'd be interesting if she said something along the lines of like, I still want to give value to the token and going on with my plans. But the fact that she says, I am working with the team who's suing the token.
Yeah, GG's.
is like, okay, well, now there's just nothing that could happen here. I guess
that is wild.
If all
That
this
is
token does
wild.
get sold out of the team, I could see it and she's done with it and doesn't have any supply. I could see it just like hate pumping and just like proving her wrong. If that makes sense.
What do you guys think about swamp creatures?
It's sending right now. 300K. Shared this sucker in Bodagos. This thing's nice. 6x in 19 minutes.
What is this?
Elon Musk tweeted it and used Grok to generate the picture.
Is this like swamp monsters like the government?
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
Dude, that shit's wild.
So I'm very curious to see what Huck Tua does. Like, is she gonna start doing her podcast again?
Yeah. I don't know.
This is a really interesting development for me. I'm particularly.
You're very invested.
He's a big Hawk Tua fan.
I mean, I think it's pretty much over. Like, I don't care about her. I cared about her when she didn't have a token and she was launching one. Now it's just pretty much who cares.
I take this situation extremely seriously and want to address my fans. The fact that the investors.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, using the term investors is wild.
I am fully cooperating, so that's just like
snitching.
Strategically, she's just like, yeah. I mean, she must have gotten so many lawsuits, and I love that Nick and Pio responded with "Thanks for waking up" in the comments. So good.
So good, dude.
Let's do the bookmark. So that's not just Clemente bookmarks in the Bodalgo's entertainment account.
Yeah, dude. Bookmarks are the
I
way.
bet he's got some thirst traps bookmarked, huh?
Literally just my own content.
Do we analyze this to see if there is token soon with the first letter of each word? I-A-S-C-W-A.
I am in danger.
Yeah. Like, please
That's
send.
funny.
Help.
That made me laugh.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps it up for today's show. We've been running for 80 minutes now. Thank you all for listening today and all week. You can catch us on all major podcasting platforms, Spotify, Apple. Catch us on YouTube. Watch our graphs, see our beautiful faces as we provide you all of the up-to-date crypto news and analysis. Thank you so much. Catch you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Kix, what song were we doing there? We were doing Cold